to American Blacksmith. Today we're going to forge that wine rack that we've been talking about. You can start off with just a 2-bottle rack, 4-bottle, 6. You can make several of these and put them all in line on a hook. This is going to be a slightly different because we're going to do it instead of using round saw. I've inserted a copper plate underneath the cutting area so that it will protect the sharp edges of the hot cut as I'm piercing through. next we're going to take this bar and scallop or chamfer the edges and put our hammer marks in. And this we can do all cold with a rounded hammer. See, this edge is flat, that side, and then this side is rounded. Farriers use these hammers a lot, but you can simply use this square hardy here as a brace and start hammering just good solid blows and skip, get a rhythm like so.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to use a piece of aluminum wire and make a model. I can just replicate the one that I have here. Otherwise, you can take your bottle and make your model with the wire. Here's our aluminum wire that I straightened out here. I put it on a piece of 3/8 stock. Make a mark. Next step, the forging process, we have our taper here, and we're going to do the base of the bottle holder and do this bending here. All right, here's the bending fixture that we made for the bottle holders. All right, now we're going to discuss how to assemble the wine rack. In this case, we're going to make a 4 bottle. You can do a 2, you can do 6, on and on. But we will take my chalk here and mark out on both sides here, and then 2 more hangers right here. Then you want to position them with the big end up and your nice tapered ends on the end facing out. So we can put a good structural weld in here. You only need one weld. And then we will wrap it with either mild steel, or I like to use bronze wire, where you can just start here and heat it with a torch and just start going around and around. Thanks for watching American Blacksmith. You can leave questions and comments below.